It's been 23 years since TSA was stood up. Today, screening 2.5 million people every day at 440 airports nationwide. Every carry-on, every suitcase, every passenger screened and cleared. But now the TSA is testing what could be a faster checkpoint of the future.
It was great, quick, no hassle.
A self-checkpoint. Much like self-grocery checkouts, almost the entire screening process is self-guided. More automated, allowing TSA officers to keep eyes on security. What did you think?
I liked it. I think it's a lot easier.
But it's not gone without hiccups. Gloria from New York was rushing to catch a flight.
It took me 4 or 5 tries to get through.
What was the hang-up?
Supposedly my watch, my hair clip, and my jacket.
Starting today, a 6-month trial run in Las Vegas, reserved for pre-check flyers only who know the routine. Some of this will be familiar to regular travelers. Come up to the checkpoint, take your carry-on, put it in the bin. If you've got any questions, simply ask the TSA officer on demand.
Hi there, how may I help you today?
TSA officers will dial in remotely.
Place everything in the bin. Yes, and when you're all done, go ahead and slide your items forward.
Slide your bin onto the rollers, then walk right into the full body scanner. And this is what's new. You come in and you put your arms down to the side, and it's going to look for anything that shouldn't be there. And it's telling me I got to come back out. I have a microphone, of course, that it's detected. I've got the transmitter on my belt, and something a lot of people forget, my cell phone. Bags that require rescreening cycle back automatically. After testing the checkpoint, the TSA will decide whether any of it can be rolled out nationally. Are you expecting too much of passengers to expect that they can do this on their own?
We don't know. We've never tried this before. This is something that is a first here.
TSA Chief David Pekoski. Don't expect this to be widely rolled out at every airport and every checkpoint.
No, I don't think so. Part of what we're trying to do here is to figure out, hey, what works? What facilitates movement of people? While at the same time making sure that we can provide the security we provide.
Our future is getting fast, and we have to be fast.
Whether the self-checkout is faster
Somebody's got to be the guinea pig, right?
might require working out the kinks. Would you recommend this?
No, probably not.